What is most important to you? Data? Why? Private, important and should not be lost. अब अगर ये क्वेश्चन है तो हम क्या करें? हार्ड डिस्क घूम सकता है, सर्वर बंद हो सकता है या नया प्रॉब्लम? What if somebody stole it? आंसर टू दैट इज क्लाउड. हम लोग क्लाउड पे डेटा रखते हैं जो इजी टू शेयर है, क्लाउड पे डेटा रखते हैं जो सिक्योर है, क्लाउड पे डेटा रखते हैं जिसे हम कहीं से भी एक्सेस कर सकते हैं. सो क्लाउड आने वाले लाइफ में सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट टेक्नोलॉजी में से एक है. आज हम लोग बात करेंगे क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग के. What is cloud computing? It's like accessing your data, your applications instead of your hard drive from internet, some location, some server which you rented. What do you mean by renting? Yes, cloud is basically renting of platform or a service from a tech giant like Google, Microsoft, Oracle, and there are so many. Now let's understand this in a bigger way. There are three types of services. So we have cloud as an infrastructure, we have a cloud as a platform, and we have a cloud for a service known as IaaS, PaaS and SaaS. इसमें से SaaS वो वाली नहीं, SaaS सबसे ज़्यादा यूज़ करते हैं जिसके थ्रू आप Gmail या Gmail Google सर्विसेज यूज़ करते हो. इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एज अ सर्विस हम लोग जनरली यूज़ करते हैं फॉर स्टोरेज और हैविंग अ क्लाउड स्टोरेज. प्लेटफॉर्म एज अ सर्विस जनरली डिप्लॉयमेंट्स के लिए यूज़ होता है जैसे कि Heroku और Google एनवायरनमेंट. सो देयर आर three type of clouds and cloud is the next big thing. Well, if you talk about application of cloud, every big organization or even now to small scale organization uses cloud. Why? It's a cost effective, cheap है, सस्ता है, easy to maintain, use and company can actually concentrate on their products rather than the infrastructure, storage and other thing. Hence cloud is being used in every second system. Some of the common example is storage clouds, service as a cloud. अब यहाँ पे special built-in tools है जिनका use होता है for backing up your data or creating your profile. Now imagine Google just gives you G Drive and what are the use you are doing it for? Storing data securely, sharing it, but backend we really need the entire infrastructure and various services. We have services like Google Colab, which is again a cloud-based IDE, Raptal, which is another cloud-based online compiler. ये सारी चीजें cloud services के थ्रू चल रही है. So cloud का application तकरीबन हर डोमेन में, हर बड़े या छोटे कंपनी में होगा to give them a basic infrastructure, certain services or a platform as they want. What you should know to become a cloud expert? Well, simple. It depends what exactly you want to work on. Infrastructure cloud would require languages like Python, Terraform, and Ansible. If you are planning about handling native cloud services, then Java, JavaScript, especially Node.js, and Go are the hotcakes. Apart from that, if you are talking about handling data over the cloud, then all-time favorite, SQL, you must know. About amount of coding, well, simple. If you are becoming a cloud engineer, then you should know coding very, very well, that too on multiple platforms and technology. But if you are planning to become a cloud architect, low code options are available. That means there are certain tools which allow you to configure cloud. Do not forget, in cloud business, there are two big giants which we are talking about. The AWS, that is Amazon, and GCP, that is Google Cloud Services. So this is all what you would know or you should know for making a career in cloud. What you should know to become a cloud engineer? Well, simple. First of all, you should start learning all the basic concept of cloud. That includes three type of clouds as we already spoken. Then there are things like hybrid cloud, cloud services, and so many other stuff. Once the core concept of cloud is known, you should be shifting to the understanding of networking, routing, services, devices, their configuration, IP, supernetting, subnetting, the core concept of networking basically, because cloud runs on network. Then you should be shifting depending on where you want to go. Do you want to become engineer or architect? On that basis, appropriate programming language and their command should know. We should also have an in-depth understanding of all three cloud service providers, their strength, their weaknesses. By saying three cloud services, we do means Windows Azure, as we work with Microsoft, AWS by Amazon, and GCP by Google Cloud Service. So these are the three strengths and weaknesses you should be ready with. Once all sorted out, you are ready to go and do certification.